Hey guys, it's Dave again, HD Trucks and Equip in Apache Junction, Arizona, the eastern suburb of the greater Phoenix metropolitan area. Hey, we sell big trucks here. We sell medium and heavy duty trucks. There's a super triaxle 80,000 pound Kenworth. We sell day cabs, mechanic trucks, bucket trucks, crane trucks, flatbeds, stake beds, you name it, we usually have it. And sometimes we have some pretty unusual stuff here. But the one I want to show you right now is just such a nice little baby doll. That's a 2012 Dodge Ram 5500. So that's not a 1-ton, that's a 5500. That's a 19,500 pound GVW truck. Still non-CDL, but boy is that thing built to move. Well, that's got the heavy duty tow hooks on front, straight. Probably can't even hardly notice it. It's got a few dimples on it. Looks like it might have had some a little bit of hail at one point in time. You know, but on the other hand, it's not a new one. So that's a 5500 heavy duty, and looky, it's got the Cummins in it. Yupper, that's a 6.7 turbocharged and 2012 model. That's running a reading body on it, and that has matching toolboxes. There's a saddle box on both sides, and of course we don't have rust down here, so that's not never something you have to worry about when you're looking here. Look at that, all the way down there, no rust. It's got a little beacon on there if you're going to do something alongside of the road. This has got steel rails on it. Wow. Tires on it are either all new or like new. I believe we just had these put on before we took off, if I'm not mistaken. We drove this truck in. I'm going to guess we drove this truck, wow, 1,400, 1,500 miles, something like that. Look at this, diamond plate steel body. I like diamond plate much better than wood. It doesn't chip, doesn't gouge, doesn't crack. That's pretty much the way that's going to be for a long time. Here's something that's a little unusual. This has a Tommy lift tailgate on it. Okay, all steel of course. But it also has a 12,000 pound towing capacity trailer hitch on it. A little unusual. It's a little harder to get that. That has to be kind of like custom made to go with the lift gate, because a lift gate usually comes down and hits the trailer hitch. So this is custom made for it. And as I say, this is a Tommy lift. So pretty simple mechanism. If you haven't used one before, if there's no lights on, it's not ready, you push that one first. The yellow light says I'm ready. Twice on that one says it's activated, and then you are good to go. And this is the type that you just manually lower the actual deck on it. And it's all nice and quiet. Cable driven, hydraulic cylinder on the inside operating it. No rust, solid, nice piece. Never have any problem. Boy, I tell you, Tommy lifts, they're about the best in the industry. So that's a nice piece. That one is rated at, looks like 1,600 pounds. So 1,600 pound capacity on a 5500 Ram. All steel, of course. Has a single factory fuel tank right there. There's another box just like on the back. That is your depth. And it's got aftermarket tubular running boards on it. And for those of you that always ask me, that's the condition of the truck. No rust. Just as straight as an arrow. Nice piece. This is the electric shutoff for the tailgate. Always remember to turn that off so some kids don't get back there and get hurt with it. And you've got the reclining seats on it. You've got the office center little deal here. Of course, with one hand it's kind of hard, but there you go. And if you don't need that, you go like that. Now you got a 3-passenger truck. Headliner is decent. This is just because it's 115 degrees here. We try to keep the dash looking good, just like it is now. Air conditioning is blowing absolutely ice cold. We have to have that here. This has cruise control. It has tilt wheel. It has the factory brake controller. Automatic headlights. Has manual window cranks and window locks. Floorboard on it is spectacular. I'm going to just move this little mat. I don't want you to think we're hiding something. We never ever do. Solid, straight. Nobody's wore their shoes through it, putting out 1 billion miles. Hard to find these trucks without a lot of miles on them. So they got the little strobe light on it right there. You got your little tow package to kill out the overdrive. This is a factory Jake brake. That's your engine brake. AM/FM stereo.
And provide fast relief. And you can always
turn the lights off so we can actually see it. And that has a CD player in it. I haven't tried the CD, but the radio obviously works. Let's see here. That little light down there is telling me that I have the Jake brake on, so I'm just going to push the button and turn that off. And there's your truck, and it is running. And I always tell you it's running because that way you know that it doesn't have any check engine lights, anti-lock brake lights, any of that bad, evil stuff. That has a whole, hopefully you can see that, 93,000 miles on it. Nice low mileage truck. 93, almost 93.9, so it's about 94,000. That's such a nice truck. Full gauges. Air conditioning is blowing nice and cold, just like it's supposed to. And as I say, this is a 2012. This is a 2-wheel drive model. And pretty much a no excuses truck. Nice Ram 5500. Straight truck, clean truck. And if you have a question on this one, or any other thing that we may have, you can just give me a call at 602-510-5444. And once again, we appreciate you looking.